Hello everyone, I am Mrudula and today's topic is about the types of medical coding. So there are mainly three types of medical coding. First one is the ICD, that is International Classification of Diseases. Then second is the CPT, current procedural terminology, and third is the HCPCS, that is Healthcare Common Procedure Coding System. Before overviewing the type, we see the brief history of medical coding. So the medical coding system originated in England during the century. Statistical data was collected from a system called the London Bills of Mortality, and the data was organized into numerical codes. The codes were then used to estimate the most recurrent causes of death. The statistical examination of mortality rate, that is the cause of death, was they organized into the international list of cause of death. Then World Health Organization used this list increasingly to help in tracking the mortality rates and the international health developments. The list was later developed into the International Classification of Diseases. Its 10th edition now is ICD-10 CM or CPS. In 1997, the global medical community accepted the ICD system, which compelled the National Centers for Health Statistics, that is NCHS, to extend the ICD system to include cause of death and clinical diagnosis such as injuries and illness. This way, to catalog the medical records, make medical evaluation quicker and easier. Now we see these three types of medical coding one by one. So first is the ICD, that is International Classification of Disease. This type of medical coding is used for diagnostic codes that create a uniform vocabulary for describing the cause of injury, illness, and death. Established by the World Health Organization, that is WHO, in the date 1940s. Updated several times in the 60 plus years since its inception. The number following ICD represents which revision of the code is in use. Now we see about the ICD-10-CM guidelines. There are mainly all four sections of the current ICD-10-CM official guidelines for coding and reporting. The section 1 describes conventions, general coding guidelines, and chapter specific guidelines. Then section 2nd is all about the selection of principal diagnosis. Then section 3rd is about the reporting additional diagnosis, and the section 4, that is the last section, is related with the diagnostic coding and reporting guidelines for the outpatient services. The clinical modification significantly increases the number of codes for diagnosis. The increased scope gives coders much more flexibility and specificity, which is essential for the profession. The ICD-10 code has 14,000 codes. Its clinical modification ICD-10-CM contains over 68,000 codes. Second is the current procedural terminology, which are used to document the majority of the medical procedures performed in a physician's office. The code set is published and maintained by the American Medical Association, that is AMA. These codes are copyrighted by the AMA and are updated annually. Now we see the categories of CPT code. So CPT codes are five-digit numeric codes. The first category is divided into 6 ranges, which corresponds to 6 major medical fields such as evaluation and management, then anesthesia, radiology, surgery, then medicine, and the last one is the pathology and laboratory. The second category of CPT codes corresponds to performance measurement and in some cases laboratory or radiology test results. Then the 5-digit alphanumeric codes are typically added to the end of category CPT code with a hyphen. Then the third category of CPT codes corresponds to emerging medical technology. CPT code also have addendums that increases the specificity and accuracy of the code used. CPT modifiers are two-digit numeric or alphanumeric codes that are added to the end of the category of CPT code. They provide important additional information to the procedure code. For example, a CPT modifier that describes which side of a body a procedure is performed on, and there is also a code for a discontinued procedure. Third is the Healthcare Common Procedure for Coding System, that is HCPCS. This includes durable medical equipment, then prosthetic ambulance rides, and certain drugs and modifiers. SCPCS is also the official code set for the outpatient hospital care, then chemotherapy drugs, Medicaid and Medicare, among other services. Since SCPS codes are involved in medical and Medicare, it's one of the most important code a medical coder can use.